is in MS Team already. Okay, let's start. Okay, you are now going to prepare some reports using related tables in database. Make sure all currency values displayed in the same currency symbol are set to 2 decimal place. Okay, so the first one I highlight because it's nothing. Second one, I will go back and go through. So I leave it. Import the file 1803stuff.csv using a suitable package database package. So I just open that here. Okay, it looks okay so far. It looks okay, so I don't think we need to do any changes. Okay, now open access. New database, I will put this as 11 Daniel M18. Okay, close the table. External data, new data source from text file. Okay, so it says that the stuff, this one. Next. Always tick this one. First row contain field names. Next. And then you check one by one. Staff ID, text, unique. Staff ID, text, duplicate, no. Because it says unique. No duplicates. Family name, text. Family name, text. First name, job role, department, text. First name, job role, department code, yes, text. Year service numbering, year service. So try to use integer, but if let's say in the exam you want to use long integer, it's okay, up to you. Okay, it's up to you to use long integer or integer. It just because the syllabus didn't say that you cannot use long integer, although it is taking more memories. Okay, telephone, text. Telephone, not long integer, but change it to text. As I said last time, why telephone only 4 numbers? Next. Hold on, let me check the telephone number. Yeah, telephone is only 4 numbers. Okay. Sorry, I thought it's wrong. Okay. Set ID as primary key. So go back here. Staff ID. So I choose my own primary key and then choose the staff ID. Next. Okay, done. So this is the first table. Okay, this is the first table. Should be fine. So done. Import the file jobs as a new table and all fields are set to appropriate data types into your database. So it doesn't mention any data type. So you need to do it by checking one by one. So just now is jobs, right? Oh, something wrong. Jobs, okay. Next. Next. First one, short text. Yeah. Short text, okay. And then this one, I would prefer to use short text as well. Okay. No, base pay is currency. Sorry. Base pay should be currency. Okay. And then this one is unique. Job code is unique. So I will put no duplicate. Next. Does it mention anything as primary key? Job code. Since job code is unique, that's why it is a primary key. Okay. So I have a primary key and then job code. Next. Finish. Okay, done. Third one, import the file departments. So new data, text file, departments. Okay. Next. First row. Next. Okay. Department code as primary key. So department code must be unique. Find the department code and then put no duplicate. And then the rest is short text. Okay. Your own primary key and put department code because it says that department code as primary key. Okay, done. Guess what? Huh? I think it disconnect by itself. Okay, you can. By the way, you can join my MS Team meeting. I share screen there. Okay. Place in your evidence document screenshot showing the field names and data type used in the three tables. So this is the first table in design view. Okay, in design view. So this is the first one. Just screenshot like this. And then evidence 5. Second table, design view, screenshot. And then the third table, staff, design view, and screenshot. Okay, so done. Screenshot showing the field names and the data types in the three tables, done. Create one-to-many relationship link. Okay, so we need to open the relationship. So I close all the tables. Create relationship. Database 2, right? Yeah. So all three tables. As I said, I'm not so sure whether I told your class before. Always drag the one with the key to the one without key. So job code in the job table and the job row code in the staff table. So this one and this one. Always drag the one with the key to the one without key. Okay? And then take everything and create. Done. One-to-many. And then department code table from department. So I will put the stuff in the middle. This will be easier. So department code, drag to the department code here. The one with key to the one without key. And then screenshot. Put it into evidence 6. One-to-many, one-to-many. Okay? Sometimes sometimes the question, some of the examiner might not like the previous that one, so you have to screenshot this as well in case they don't accept the first screenshot. But by the way, the first screenshot should be fine. Okay, next. So this one done, and screenshot also done. Okay, did Madam Yana last year told you, is Madam Debika or Madam Yana your class last year? Debika, right? Okay, did Madam Debika told you last year about how to put in your evidence document? In IG rules, they only mark the first screenshot. Okay, in IG rules, they only mark the first screenshot. So let's say you have two options, either to screenshot this or this. You pick the most confident one. For me, my most confident is this one. So I put it on first, and then this one at the second. Because some of the examiner, they don't mark the second screenshot onwards. They only mark the first screenshot. So put your most confident one at the first one. Then the rest, it depends on the examiner. Some examiner, they mark. Some examiner, they don't mark. Okay? Always put your most confident to the first one. Okay. Create a data entry form using all the fields in the staff table. All the fields in the staff table. Okay. So I close this. Yes, save. And then create using a form wizard. Everything from staff, everything from jobs, and everything from departments. Next. 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 Oh, sorry. From staff table only. Sorry. They only want staff table. Sorry, I thought everything from 3 tables. So everything from staff table only. Next. Columnar. And then please put a nice title for the form. For example, this one I can put staff details or staff records. Okay, then finish. So here's my staff records. Add the following record to the staff table using your form. So just press on this one. If you cannot see this new blank icon, you can always click the new here. Click the word new here. And then you just type in one by one. Department code, years of service is 1, telephone is 5618. Okay. And then before you click save, it says that place in your evidence document a screenshot showing this data in your form. So screenshot this and put it in the evidence 7. Okay. Then after that, only you save it and refresh. Yeah. Okay, once you're done, always go back to the table, staff table and check whether your record is inside the table. So TU21221, TU221, you can click by search find or you just click here, TU221. Yeah, the record is here now. It's insert. Okay, so done and done. Okay, one thing I did just now I didn't do it right with the jobs. For the salary, I didn't set the salary thing. I think, yeah. Make sure all currency value display the same currency symbol, so it doesn't matter whatever currency symbol in this case, and 2 decimal place. So we need to go back to design view. currency, and then you need to set the format. Okay, pick one format. Let's say I use this. Decimal point, you need to set to 2. In case in your report it come out 3 decimal point. Okay, make sure you set all this and then save it. Okay, done. Yeah. So next, a pay increase is made for each year of service. You will calculate the current salary of each member of staff based on their years of service. Okay. Using a field from the table, produce a report. Okay. So before you start report, you must start query first. So let's go for query wizard. Simple query wizard. Okay, what they want. This one. Always ask what they want. Staff ID. So it's under staff. First name, family name. First name, family name. Job description, department. Job description. Should be under, okay. Department. Okay. Faculty. And then base pay. Year service. Current salary in this order. Okay, current salary, we don't know yet. Because current salary, you need to create it later by yourself. Okay, so next, make sure all labels are fully visible. Okay, later we just check. And then please try to use the title as a query. Okay, query title, use this. Why? Because later when you want to do the report, you know which query you are looking for. Okay, finish. So all here. Okay, next. Only doing this. Contain a new field. Okay, so go back to the design view. Okay, so a new field called current underscore salary. Current underscore salary column. Column means what is the formula? Is the base pay, so in square bracket, base base, a base is B capital, base underscore pay, square bracket, for their job plus, so plus an increment of 400 for each year of service. So plus bracket 4 times the year of service. Year of service is this one. So square bracket, years underscore service. Square bracket, close bracket, enter. Okay, done. Display the content of this field as currency. So under property here, if you don't have property, you just right click and select property. So under this one, the property format, change it to currency. Okay, done. show the record only when the faculty is engineering. Okay, so I run first. Faculty. So engineering. Okay, before you do the filtering, I will recommend you to check first whether engineering is only one word or they have like electrical engineering, electronic engineering, and other. So since they only have engineering, so I just put criteria here as engineering, enter, and run again. Check is all only engineering here? Yes. But exclude stuff with a job description of postgraduate research. So they don't want the postgraduate research. So go back here. Oh, sorry. Under job description. Okay. Just put not open bracket postgraduate research and close quotation mark. Enter and you run again and see whether they take out already. So no more postgraduate research. So the query will be not and then double quote. Okay, I show you in full. Not and then open double quote what you don't want and then close double quote. So they will take out whatever is there. Okay, sorting only do it after your report has been generated. This one is under report wizard. This one also report wizard. No, this one is after report. This one also during report wizard. No, after report wizard, and okay. So since this one done, let's go for report. So create report from report wizard. Where is the report wizard? Oh, here. So get the query. Everything. Next. Next. Okay. Don't do any sorting here. Please, don't do any sorting in the wizard. Only add in the heading, that's it. And then they said page orientation of landscape fit a single page. So fit a single page and landscape. Next. So this is the title and finish. Okay, now you will always get a page like this. You will always get the page like this, which is some of the text is being covered, some of the text is too many empty space. So you need to change one by one by click shift, okay, or control. Click shift or control, select both, and then you drag it one by one. Okay, select one by one, and then just drag it like this. And make sure when you resize the field, make sure, make sure no text is being overlapped. So that's why every time you resize it, you need to check properly. Okay, just check one by one. Or electrical engineering. Okay, so this is my report. Now only you do the sorting. So you go back to the design view. And then you create a new sorting and grouping by right click here. And you need to sort ascending order of year of service. At the sort, year service and smallest to largest because it's ascending. Okay, done. Calculate the average years of service of the faculty. So you just click years of service, not the title, but the data, the detail. Right click and then select total in average. Okay, in average. So it will put it here. And then, so done. And place it at the bottom of the report below under the year service column. So here, if let's say the question said place it somewhere else, you just drag. Okay, drag. Let's say place it here. But the question says place it here. So you just put it, remain it here. Format as integer. Okay. Format as integer. So you need to right click and then select properties and change the text as integer. Format, change it to integer. Where is the general number and then decimal place 0. General number, decimal place 0. Okay, and then let's see whether it works. Yeah. Oh no. Then we have to use the formula, is it? Let me check whether it works. int bracket and then close bracket and report view, drag it at the bottom. Yeah, you need to put a int at the here. Hold on. Okay. You need to put a int bracket, means format it into integer. So average, AVG stand for average, and then year of service. Okay, next one. Has a label average time of with the faculty. And left to this number. So when you want to do that, always use label, not text box. Text box will give you trouble. Always use label. Create a label here and then paste it. The text is too long. Okay. Next. This one also done, which is already on top here. Okay, where? Has your name, serial number, and candidate number on each of the report. So since you can either put footer at the footer or header. It doesn't mention here. Okay, so but it says each page of the report not appears once. Those who are, hey, why I see the living room design or something, and then some of you are doing the SMS. Put it at every page. So I will just put it here, page footer. If they say report only appears one on the top of the report or bottom, then you use report footer or report header. If they say page, then you put it inside page. So give it 961 and then your 4 digits. That's it. Okay. Save and print your report. So file, save, and then print preview. Do your last check. Shh. Do your last check before you do the printing. So the first page, you got your name here. And the second page, you also got your name here. So you should have two page of report. So just click file, print, and then print to PDF. And then this will be your printout too. Okay, print to PDF. And then just put print out too. So your printout tool should be something look like this. Okay, this is your second report. Okay, last one. I think you need to generate another report. Normally, they will ask you for 2 reports or 1 label, 1 report. So next one. You are going to prepare a department telephone directory. Okay, produce a new report. So new report means new query. Close this. Create query wizard. Okay, so what they want? First name, family name. So staff, first name. Oh, sorry. First name, family name, job description, department, job description, department, telephone, and external phone in this order. External phone later because this one you need to create later. So done. Next. So this query is this departmental telephone directory. Okay. So go back to design view. So they want external phone. So you go to a new here called external phone. Underscore phone column. Display the full external telephone number of the member by staff by prefixing the integer 4-digit telephone number with this. So just double quote, put in inside a double quote, and then plus telephone. So this one, telephone. Okay. So the properties of this one should be under text. Oh, cannot set the properties yet. Okay. For example, the internet telephone is 9999, then it should be +775369999. Make sure your telephone just now is a short text, or else you will get a problem with this. Okay, so the format here, change it to the text. Any text here? No. Then no need. Only include staff who work in the biology or chemistry department. So you run first. Yeah, it works. And then they only want biology and chemistry. Okay, so go back. Department description here. No, under department. Biology, biology or chemistry. And then you run again and check whether is it only biology and chemistry. Yes, it works. So done. Sort by is sorted by, okay, sort later is display single, this one later. Okay, done. So save and close, and then now we create report wizard based on this one, this query. Everything next, next, next. Don't do sort here. And then they said single page. Okay, it's single page is ticked already. Portrait orientation. Oh yes, portrait. Okay, so this one done. Next. The title should be this one. Why stop? Yeah, okay, done. Finish. So again, we need to go to the layout first. Close the property. Okay. The first one, I will string it. And then I will also string this because the job description is not full. It's not in full. Okay. So until assistant is the longest. Biology and chemistry. So until here. So that my external phone can fully visible. Because the question here already say data fully visible. This one also done. Okay, our department title is already done. It's sort. Okay, now do the sort. So go back to the design view, create sorting and grouping. Okay, department ascending order. So sort department A on top. Oops. Then by family name ascending order. So add a sort. Family name also A on top. And first name in ascending order. Okay, first name in ascending order. So add a sort, first name. Okay, done. So you need to follow the sequence one by one. The last, okay, include your name, center number, and candidate number on the report. So this time I will put inside report footer because it doesn't mention have to appear on every single page. Okay, done. So you can go to print review and check whether your report is okay. Okay, yeah, it looks okay. So save and print as print out 3. total 30 marks. So print to PDF and then write it, name it as print out 3. So print out 3 is only 1 page. This is the printout. So 30 marks is based on these 2 and 3 evidence documents. Okay, so that's it for my demo today. You can start now.